Hi guys, today we're back with another video, and I got a package in the mail and I don't want to tell you guys until I open it, so I'm just gonna open it. Let me cut the tape. So tape. I need like a knife or something. That should be good. I can probably open this. Okay. I need to tip it. This is actually really hard. Little carry hand. It's pretty nice. So, what I got, camera phone. What I got is the Lancer Tactical Airsoft gun, and on the back, all it is just your loadout, what you should have for an airsoft match. So this is your guy. So I'm just gonna open it real quick, which is right here, I believe. Yeah, right here. Right here. I need the scissors to pry it open. There we go. So, Remy. Okay. So this. Shh. Do you want to do this? Oh. Well, it's upside down. So the plastic. Oh, I think it fell out. Hang on. I'll just put it back in and then flip it over. I got it. So, it was originally like this, which I think I just ruined the box, but it's okay. So, now we have this piece of styrofoam. You have your instruction manual. Oh, that's awesome. It comes with a little patch. Yay! Some little thingies. Okay. So, I need my scissors. And then I need to cut this. So I got my tag. You have little foam pieces. Like.
And why do you have this gun?
Because my brother has an airsoft gun.
And how did you get the gun?
I was just browsing on Amazon. And then we got we got money for Christmas, and I was browsing through Amazon and I found one of these, but it was a tan. So I looked more up about it, and I saw that you could get different colors. So I looked for the black one, and I loved it so much. I wanted one. And so, yeah, and I'm going to talk about the gun. So, you have flip-up sights right here. So, if you would like flip-up sights. And then I got a red dot sight. So, you have to push a button. Yeah, Isaac, can you come get it?
I'm not putting it on right now.
I know. So I just love this gun, and I'm gonna get all this stuff out. So you got some BBs. A mag, about a 300. I think it's a high cap mag. Oh, and this is all metal, but right here, this is plastic and the stock is plastic. And I believe this is plastic too. Yeah, this is plastic. And everything else is metal. And the iron sights are even metal too. So that's good. And you have your a unjamming rod, which is right here. Let me cut the tape real quick.
And a cleaner that helps clean it.
This helps clean it too. So if you don't know how to use one of these, you wrap a paper towel or whatever you have, and then you wrap it around, and then you stick it in.
Other way around.
Oh. You stick it in like this, and then you clean it out and you move it around and stuff. So you have an unjamming rod, which I think will come in handy if I jam it. And then you will get this right here, your charger, right here, a black charger with this. And then you have a strap, which there's a rubber band around it. So it's about a decent sized strap, but you have to size it and stuff too. It's about that big, but you'll have to probably size it. And then you have a nunchuck battery. One is short and one is long. So I like nunchuck batteries the most. So they have more power mostly. And I'll show you what I have right here. So I have this sling, the gun itself, which I'm gonna put like that. The gun itself, the unjamming rod, the clip, which will go like that and like that, the charger, the battery, and BBs, and my patch, which I'll probably hang up on probably something. And then you have your instructions. So this is what will come in your package, which will come in this Lancer tactical box. And then you'll have a black plastic thing that will hold this. So, and then I'm just gonna. So this is my video of unboxing my airsoft gun. And thank you for watching, and have a nice day.